Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Evernote Clipper. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using the Evernote web clipper on mobile is slightly different from the desktop or the online version. If you use the online version, it's very smooth and easy to use. But of course, we are going to explore some ways to save content using the Evernote web clipper efficiently. So, for example, you are in a specific web page on your mobile device and you wanted to download the content or use the web clip feature. Now, I'm here on the web clip on the web page, right? And I wanted to save this entire content. For you to be able to do it, all right, so basically you just have to click the three dots icon on the top right corner. If you do that, there is a section here that says share. You see, you would notice that the Evernote logo is there, the elephant, the green elephant. I want you to click on the share button. And as you can see, if you do that, you would have an option to save it. You can save the full website screenshot, save web pages and articles for the Evernote. If you hover to the D flaps, which is going to be your notebooks, all right? If you click that, you can save it here. You can also go to home, right? Home task, personal plans, to school, exams, library, lecture notes, projects, and tutor work, if you wanted that. You also can add a tags if you want, all right? You can find tags here. If you want to use this as well, you can do that. It's very simple. All you have to do now is click the save button. You will be forwarded to the now the clips has been saved to your Evernote. So I'm gonna quickly switch over to my Evernote. Now, once you open the Evernote app on your mobile device, depending if you're using an iOS or an Android, I want you to hover to the notebooks and search for where you have saved your article or the web page. Remember, I save it at Gplats. There is like a drop down menu here. You see, if you click on it, you would notice that this is the full website. The web clipper save articles, web pages, and screen captures directly to Evernote. All right. So this is going to be the full article. You see that? It's very handy, right? Now, having this kind of easy access, you can easily save links, articles, or ideas when inspiration strikes. For example, or just kind of like passively scrolling down your mobile device, you're away from your computer, and you have something like inspired you. You can now save notes to access them later, even without an internet connection, which is kind of handy, right? If you're on to go or you're traveling on the airplane where internet or Wi-Fi or mobile data is limited, you can clip articles directly from your mobile browser for reading later or reference. You can save visuals, infographics, or photos that are relevant to your projects or interests. And again, once you do that, you see there is a three dots icon here where you can basically share this note to maybe your client, or if you're in a collaborative environment working with multiple freelancers, you can just enter their name, your client's name, and then share this link amazingly and get some feedback from all these, all right? Because notes are synced across devices, so you can access them on desktop, tablet, or mobile once you organize your clips into notebooks or assign tags for quick retrieval later, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.